In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Todoist with Notion, a useful integration for anyone looking to streamline their productivity workflow. This straightforward process essentially involves linking your Todoist tasks with your Notion workspace, enabling you to seamlessly manage activities across these two powerful platforms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific Notion page where you intend to integrate Todoist. Think about where this page will fit best within your existing Notion setup. Perhaps it's a dashboard for an ongoing project, or maybe it serves as your personal productivity hub. With the right page open, take a moment to ensure it's organized and ready to incorporate your Todoist link. This initial organization will help maintain clarity and make it that much easier to leverage both tools effectively once they are connected. Next, you need to retrieve the link to your Todoist project or task list that you plan to integrate into Notion. Head over to your Todoist account and find the specific project or task list. Once there, look for the Share option. This is typically represented by an icon or a menu item, and copy the link provided. Being aware of exactly which Todoist project you want in Notion can save you time, so it might be helpful to consider which tasks or projects you most frequently reference. A handy tip is to ensure your Todoist setup is as precise and categorized as possible before you even start this linking process. With your Todoist link now copied, return to your Notion page. You're going to paste this link into the Notion page. Simply find the spot where you want the Todoist content to appear, possibly among other related resources or tasks, and paste the link directly into a line. Notion will typically create a more visually embedded section for this link, provided you give it a moment to detect and format the content. This embedding not only keeps your Notion page tidy, but also allows for quick access to Todoist without having to navigate away from your workspace. A significant boost to productivity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Todoist with Notion. The benefits are clear: enhanced task visualization, streamlined access, and ultimately a more organized digital workspace. As with any tool, give yourself some time to adapt to this integrated setup and explore how it best serves your personal productivity style. If this integration encourages you to try out even more advanced setups, such as linking in additional tools or automating tasks between apps, you're on a great path. Thanks for watching, and happy productivity enhancing.